Welcome to MyBangaloreProperty.com. You are exploring independent private residence at HSR Layout behind BDA Complex HSR Layout. Stilt is a complete car parking, power backup, and the security room. The building built on the 50 by 80 4,000 square feet of BDA plot in HSR Layout. The house located in the IAS and IPS colony behind BDA Complex. It's a private entry going for the next floors. Very beautiful and elegant entrance lobby, lift area, stairs going for the next floors, ground floor unit. Now we are entering into the 4 BHK unit in the second floor, which is about to finish. It is under construction. The interior work has to be completed. Entering into the hall, large and spacious hall. This is the hall with the complete length. It includes of dining area and the living area. Balcony at the dining area. Complete full length of balcony in the back side. We will begin with the kitchen area. It's a spacious square kitchen with central cooking module. You will be having all the side of storage area, ventilations, and in the central you have been cooking hobs and the designer cooking kitchen. This will be utility area for the kitchen for washing, drying and cleaning. First common bedroom with no bathroom. Attached bathroom, then second bedroom, spacious room, approximately 12 by 11, attached bathroom, common bathroom in the hall. This will be master bedroom with attached bathroom and the wooden flooring with balcony. Dressing room. Attached bathroom. Front balcony. You can see the beautiful view of outside the house. The house comes with the complete teak wood doors, windows, frames, shutters. Another master bedroom with attached bathroom. Dressing area. And the attached bathroom. House is designed so beautifully with the all set balconies, cross ventilation, marble flooring, vitrified flooring, combination of wooden flooring also. This house comes with the all interior work of kitchen cabinets, wardrobes, bed, cot, the TV unit, all the major false ceiling, light fittings, etc. For more details and information regarding the site visit, please call us on our given numbers. You can log on to our website www.MyBangaloreProperty.com. Thank you, sir.